You good? I'm good. Of course, I'm good, Of course, you two are good. I wanna like play one of the track which I recorded on FL Studio at the studio just the other day. Let me play this track. Let me play this track. So, I really like the track. Honestly, I was vibing to it. This is the track. As you can see, the mastering was done on FL Studio PC. So I'll just go to the master channel, choose limiter and analyzer. Limiter and analyzer. Let's see.
Nicolas on this beat, yo.
I got beaches, I got wrists, couple days. I been with my niggas like we're running through the days. No stress, big face, diamonds on my chest. Coming from the bottom, I got something like the rest.
Something like the rest, something like the rest. I got peace of mind, I got peace of mind. Something like the rest, something like the rest. I got peace of mind, I got peace of mind. Got motion, I got vibe. Shorty call it late night, tryna slide. We was broke, now we living high life. Cut it out, yeah, the money on my mind. I got bitches, I got waves, I got motion, I got vibe. You dream every day, you know what? I got vibe, you dream every day, you know what? Yeah, shorty call it late night. In the late night, she calling my phone. In the late night, she calling my phone. In the late night, she calling my phone. In the late night, late night, late night. In the late night, she calling my phone. In the late night, she calling my phone. In the late night, she calling my phone. Late night, she calling my phone.
Nicolas on this beat, yo.
I got beaches, I got wrists, couple days. I been with my niggas like we're running through the days. No stress, big face, diamonds on my chest. Coming from the bottom, I got something like the
I
rest.
don't say much, 2 drinks, no fuss. Stone cold, one of us. Stay put, don't run. Hey, I be nonchalant, really focus on fun, really concerns me. Body bag, everybody. I see you a dummy. You can't charm me, like can't touch me.
Matching socks like a soccer player, money like a millionaire, holy water like a solar flare. Maybe I wasn't born a bear, bugging like a ducks beware. Moving around the clocks, we late.
Yes sir, man. How can I say, man? Man, music is a process, Music is a process. Most people they don't understand that music is a process. It's not like you just have to be consistent and stay in the game. Watch what is respected and what is disrespected. I mean, when it comes to what is it that people frequently talk about when it comes to FL, they'll talk about melodies, talk about drums, you know, but they don't talk about like recording vocals, which is a big thing. If you have a proper mic, you can like really play with your voice.